All right. Welcome back to B Purnama 32. I have here another box, just a box, not a case, of 2012 13 Panini Innovation Basketball. I might think of give it a try with just one box and see how this brilliant product's gonna go. And here we go. Let's do a quick check. Serial number 3115. See that? Yep, that's the box number. Okay. Oh, thanks to Ed. He's the supplier. This is just arrived about few minutes ago. And thanks so much, Ed from nameitcards.com. Thanks for supplying to B number 32. Me. There you go. All right. Okay. There you go. Okay, there you go. Two packs. One is the Kobe pack, and the other one is the innovation pack. Alrighty, it's kind of cool with the you can touch these things. Let's start with the Kobe pack. Let me do so. All right, Kobe, 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 and Kobe. Set no autograph. Let's do the innovation now. All right, we're gonna start with it's the Chris Boss. It's a Chris Boss um, base card. Um, this is not numbered, so this is just a base card, I guess. Chris Boss, number five, card number five. Next, what we have is John Wall. That's right, John Wall base card. Okay, very nice design. Okay, what we have here is Stephen Curry. Stephen Curry producers. Stephen Curry producers. It's card number one. It's like really nice foil, nice shot of pictures. Okay. Next, what we have this is like an acetate card. Oh right, it's an acetate card of Tim Duncan. See, you can see that there's a see-through there. Oh, very nice. See that? There you go. See the back of the card. Yep. Okay. Duncan, not bad. Next, what we have here is Marcus Camby autograph. Marcus Camby autograph. Do they have a double layer here? See, for the black board. Marcus Camby Innovative Ink, we call it. No numbered. No numbered. Next is Jared Jared Bayless autograph card. Fine print autograph cards is number two. I don't see any numbered here, so it's just a autograph card. Okay, this is autograph card of Jared Bailey. Nice. Oh, There you go. It's a Kobe Bryant jersey card, number 55 out of 99. It says here is when they scored 114 points. No, no, sorry, it's 114 to 102 when the Phoenix Suns against the Los Angeles Lakers. He scored 31 points, and 9 assists and 2 rebounds. That's the actual jersey that he used when he played. Very nice. And the last card is Jonas Valanciunas. It's a Jonas card, number 234 out of 349. It's like a glass card. See, it's like here. It's a piece of glass. It's an acetate card. On top there is die cut with a laser cut printing. So that's a really nice one. See, look at that. All right, folks. So that's the box that I got. Let's recap. Chris Boss, Jonas, Kobe, Jared Bradley, Marcus Cambioro, Duncan. Not a not a bad not a bad pack. Curry and Young. Alrighty, so that's what we got today. Thanks for watching and bye bye.